the replacement. This is the new rocket car built earlier today on its inaugural run. We have one D engine in the back with a dummy engine in the front just to test it. This first run is going to have a few bugs, I'm sure, but it's a great night. We'll see how it goes. All right, let's light it. 3, 2, 1. I like it. I like it. Good style points. I'm liking this already. I'm barely into the run, and here's the reverse charge. You can see how violent they are, even from a D engine. About a 4-foot mark right there on the ground. And this car propelled another probably 250 feet. It almost got to the grass. I'm really impressed by that. I think it'd get that far. A couple more of them. Straight line away from all the hazards. I'm still aiming for that 1,000 foot goal. Not a bad little buggy. This is from one single D engine. There it is, 326 feet, 8 inches. Excellent. I want to check the back of the car here. The burn did take out the foil in the back. I might have to look into that. Find a way to diminish that burn. Anything else get burned in there? Yeah, the rear bars got burned as well. I might have to raise them. These 2 bars here. I could raise the wing up higher and get rid of those 2 bars and only have the rear axle to worry about. That's why we run these tests before the big show. Probably could have tested my other car a little better before I blew it up. It's got a nice solid core in this car, so I'm pretty excited about it. Good marks for style too. Pretty mean looking car, it's just low to the ground. So I'm looking forward to this one. All right, awesome.